passengers and welcome to Olympic Park for.
Are you excited?
Very excited.
We're just a bit worried because our tickets. I just didn't check my ticket, so I went in online for an email, but it just says view your order. I didn't really get the ticket with the barcode. I didn't realize that, and I just checked it just now, and I click on the view order button. The website didn't work, so I'm not sure if I got scammed or anything, but we will find out, and hopefully not. So excited.
$91 each. How much? 99. You can get the
$199.
money back. The bank will get the money back. At least.
But it looks so legit though, the website. Like,
Yeah. We were just told that when the first website that was on his VR logo and then
If you have a backpack of any size or description of the bag larger than 15 by 20 centimetres, a large umbrella, 8, any type of bottle, none of these items are allowed inside the arena. They must be either collected or disposed of.
them also darling. Them also. But it looks so official. So shocked.
Did you buy yours on Facebook? Facebook.
Yeah, it came up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it came up as an ad.
Smart event. Smart event. But when I checked, downloaded the ticket and had nothing in there, I didn't check before. Until today.
We should have checked it. I haven't checked
You
it.
thought it was, well,
I thought it was something like we just commented.
You are at entry A. If your tickets are GA standing or general admission floor, do not go through security here at entry A. You must go down to entry B. Entry A is reserved seating only. Entry B is for general admission floor or GA
How do we
standing.
exit, baby? Oh my god, I'm so shocked. Maybe it's only legit.
Really strict on backslash. Joey, I hate doing
how do we get out? Oh,
We got scammed with the tickets.
are you in general admission?
No, we got scammed with the ticket.
Oh, okay. Sorry to hear that.
Where do we go out again? Sorry.
Should have checked before you bought it.
No, baby, I didn't even click on it.
No, so they put the things.
We can't believe. It looks so legit. Like it's in the ads. It popped up as ads, baby. Like it's proper ads. But how can we get the money back from the?
The bank. All you do is raise a dispute.
And I
And you
can.
say you didn't get the ticket you paid for, and then we'll get the money back.
You know what? I could even choose the seats. It's so legit.
There was no ticket in there, so when we downloaded it,
Yeah, but I thought that if you can just click view your order, it pops out a barcode because it always
there's no
happens.
barcode though.
Yeah, but the thing is, I didn't check. Like I thought, you just click because it's always like that. You click it and then it downloads and then but the website looks so legit. I can even choose the seats, like a proper one. You know, you can zoom in and zoom out with those seats, and what is the allocation? It shows, and it shows a different, shows a different type of prices also. So everyone, we got scammed. In summary, I bought a ticket. So what happened was, it was in Facebook. You know those running ads that comes. It showed like Dua Lipa playing, and then you press on get tickets, and then it will direct you to the website. So I didn't know that the official ticketing website in Australia is Ticketek, and then so I clicked on that and I went to a website, which I normally do. I have been getting tickets from different parts of the world, and this is how I do it. And some of them pop up on social media for marketing, and you click on the get tickets and directs you to the website. So anyway, this website looks really legit. It has the same look as the Ticketek website, because I have also tried to use the Ticketek website, but I didn't purchase that time. But anyway, it looks like the same thing. It shows you the zones. You know, when you click on those zones, like, you know, ground floor standing, and there's a section here, section here, section here, and then it will show different prices, and it will even show the seats. Then you click on it to reserve. So I did the exact same thing. It looks so legit, and the name of the website is Smart Event, so it sounds so legit. So I did it. Then I received, it was on February 21, and I received it confirmed email on in my emails showing you know, the receipt, but I didn't get a ticket and a barcode. It just shows there the receipt, and then there's like a button you have to click view tickets, which is normal for some of these ticketing websites. They send you an email of the receipt, and you click on the view tickets, and then it will pop up the ticket with barcode. My thing is, I didn't even click on that. I didn't even check it because I got a receipt. So I thought, oh, okay, I got a receipt. So I was thinking it would be there. And then we're on our way. Actually, we're in the train, and then my husband tried to click it, and he said, oh, there's no ticket. It's just 0 kilobytes. There's nothing that, there's no document that downloads. And I was like, I was a bit worried, but I was thinking, oh, maybe there's no internet service because we are underground and things like this. And then when we arrived on the site, I went to, we're very near to the entrance, and then I said, oh, maybe there's a different thing. Maybe because I got the tickets a month early, then we have to go to the box office where the tickets are, and they will give us the tickets. You know, I was so positive because I never thought. And we got there, and the guy said, oh, it's a fraudulent website. Ticketek is our normal website. It's our official website. We can't help you, and you have been scammed. And then when we looked around the windows, there were other people, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and they also got scammed, like
Other people
many.
as well.
So other people as well, and they paid more than the tickets. So I'm not sad about the money because we could get it back from the bank. It's not a problem. We could get the money back. It's just that we were so excited, right?
Very excited.
We were so excited because it was our first concert here in City together, and it was still Dua Lipa, and it's been 2 weeks, right? We've been listening to the Dua Lipa songs.
Getting very excited about it.
And then he's very excited about it also, and we were listening to Dua Lipa songs for 2 weeks, trying to be ready because we were so excited. We're talking about it the whole time, and Adam was so excited the whole day. He was saying, oh my god, even last night he was saying, oh my god, it's very exciting, and yeah, and then we were so excited, and I was so excited, and he kept hurrying me up, and then when he arrived there, I was just so disappointed, and I got shocked that it was my first time to get scammed, and there were loads of people who got scammed. And then so I was so
Very
disappointed.
sad we travelled all this way too.
We traveled a bit far. And then and then we just went to a nearby pub, and then there were people there even with kids that got scammed also.
So this is a lesson.
So it's a lesson learned. So
Make sure
you go to make sure you Google that it's the official website. Okay, bye bye. We have to go home. Bye.